Well, after over a week of political suspense, Devendra Fadnavis is all set to take oath as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. In fact, Mumbai's Azad Maidan is gearing up to host the ceremony where political bigwigs, right from Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Chief Ministers of NDA-ruled states, several celebrities and industrialists are likely to be in attendance. Times Network's Shrishti is bringing us the latest on the story.
Well, of course, right now we are standing in front of the road, in front of Azad Maidan. I'd like to show you across the euphoria over here. The flags are being placed of all the parties, which is BJP, Rashtravadi Congress, that means NCP, RPI, as well as Eknath Shinde, Shiv Sena. The flags has been placed on the roads, which is going towards Azad Maidan. Obviously, right now, due to the security arrangements, people are not allowed to enter Azad Maidan. But of course, the buildings around Azad Maidan are cornered off, and SPG security has taken its charge. But what we can see in the visuals is that the massive celebration and preparations are going on. You can see that the police is already at place. More than 8,000 police officials will be on ground to check on the security measures. Nobody is inside Azad Maidan without the given identity card, which has been provided from the Mantralaya. And you can see in the visuals the kind of arrangements it is being done by the police as well as other officials. That's in high manner, as Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be coming over here around 5:30 and the swearing-in ceremony will be done. Now, Chief Minister will be Devendra Fadnavis. He will be swearing in, and most likely Eknath Shinde will also be swearing in as the Deputy Chief Minister. And of course, Ajit Pawar, as he only yesterday mentioned that he will be going to take the shapath, take the oath, and he will be the Deputy Chief Minister. He was very much confident yesterday while he, all three top leaders of Mahayuti Alliance partners were conducting the press conference. But I'd like to show you across the visuals. At this particular place, police officials are still coming. They are trying to manage the security. A huge crowd will be here at this particular place. They have to manage a lot of things. But importantly, what one can understand is that it would be a massive celebration for the state of Maharashtra, and life has come full circle for Devendra Fadnavis. The famous statement which he has given several times, that "Me punha yeil," that means I'll come again. And this is the moment, this is the day that he is coming back in the state of Maharashtra.
Okay, watching out for that. 5:30 p.m. is when that swearing-in ceremony happens at the Azad Maidan in Mumbai.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.